Wow, this AI art stuff is pretty good. Maybe we can make some money.
20 minutes later.
Okay, let's make some art. Come on! Holy moly, mackerel pie, this AI art is super good, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we can make some money with this. I shall be your guide. Well, the first option is to create and sell graphic elements. I have been doing this for years. This was my #1 selling product, which I created in Photoshop. It's a collection of gradient backgrounds, which people can then use in other circumstances, such as website backgrounds or iPhone wallpapers or on social media. I sold over 1,000 of these, and it netted me an income in excess of 5 figures. But now, instead of spending hours laboring away on Photoshop to create this, you can make them in seconds on Midjourney. And that's exactly what I've been doing. And here is my latest release, which is a set of 3D abstract backgrounds. The next option is you can take your AI generated art and put it on merchandise and sell this. Print on demand allows you to only print something once it has been sold. So you do all the marketing, you sell something, and then it gets printed by a company like Redbubble. I've been selling on Redbubble for years and find that quirky and cutesy images on this site work best. You can print pretty much any piece of merchandise you can imagine, from t-shirts to little tiny dog collars, because every dog needs a little collar on his little necky to look pretty for all the other little doggies. Isn't that right, Rufus? Okay, Rufus, we'll get you another dog collar soon. And we've already got 713. The next thing you can do is use your skills in using AI-generated art as a service. So go to a site like Upwork or Fiverr, browse for illustration jobs. For example, this, for $100, you can look for a 2D concept artist that can make a mecha creature insect. Now you could easily create multiple options for this in seconds. And I think this is a really feasible way to make some good money very quickly, because there's pretty much no limit to what you can charge for art and illustration. The next option for things that you can do with AI generated art is you can create a collection of NFTs. Here is a collection of ape-like NFTs that have been sold for a total of 272 Ethereum. Which in today's exchange rate is for 157,436 United States dollars. Yeah, so you can make a few bucks with NFTs if you can do it well. And I think it's perfectly possible to create a wonderful collection of iterative NFTs with open AI technologies. Here is a goat that I've been working on. This is a goat in the style of Jesus. I'm thinking about having Jesus in the style of every single animal. Every animal shall be uplifted to the holy states of the Almighty Jesus Christ, Savior of us all. Here is a monkey king. You can also do monkey kings. Last up, #5, is you can create content about AI art. I've been doing this on my YouTube channel. This is what you're on right now, my YouTube channel. And you can earn some money through advertising, affiliate income, and promoting your own products and services. So why not start a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or Instagram account to do with AI art? It's a hot new topic. There's a lot of interest, and because it's brand new, the competition is low. And there we have it. There are 5 real ways to make money with AI art right now. And remember that although all of these methods are proven business models, they require other skills as well, especially marketing. Just making something good is not enough. You need to get the right people in front of it and convince them that it is of value. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Maybe you'll enjoy a couple of my other videos. So why not stick around and see what else is going on in the world of artificial intelligence and design. I have been your host, Samson Foles. Have a delightful day, my super special little cherubs.